Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this problem, let us first write about the peak input voltage. So here I can write the value of V1 is equal to V1 dash multiplication P minus P dash by 2, that is equal to 10 by 2. So this value will be equal to 5V. Now consider the ideal diode mode for V1 is greater than 0. I can write the value of V naught is equal to V1. Now on further simplification, for V1 is less than equal to 0, for V1 is less than equal to 0, you can write the value of peak value of output voltage as V naught is equal to V1 is equal to 5V. Now I can write the average value of the output voltage as V naught average is equal to 1 by T integration from 0 to T V naught dt. So on further simplification, this value will be equal to 1 by T multiplication integration from 0 to T by 2 5 dt plus integration from T by 2 to T 0 dt. So it will be equal to 1 by T multiplication 5 multiplication T from 0 to T by 2 plus 0. So this value will be equal to 1 by T multiplication 5 multiplication T by 2, which is equal to 2.5V. Now on further simplification, I can use the Ohm's law. The peak diode current is given by ID peak. ID peak ID peak is equal to V naught by R. So V naught by R is equal to 5 by 200, that is equal to 25 mA. Now ID average value is equal to integration from 0 to T ID peak multiplication dt. So on further simplification, this value will be equal to 1 by T multiplication integration from 0 to T by 2 25 dt plus integration from T by 2 to T 0 dt, which is equal to 1 by T multiplication 25T from 0 to T by 2 plus 0. So it will be equal to 1 by T multiplication 25 multiplication T by 2, that is equal to 12.5 mA. So this is the final value. So finally I can write the value of PIV is equal to PIV is equal to V1 is equal to 5V as the maximum reverse voltage.